Good morning class. Here we are going to discuss about the use of neutralization reaction in our everyday life. Children, you have studied that neutralization reaction is the reaction between acid and base. Means in this reaction salt and water is formed and the acid and base neutralized or destroy the effect of each other. Children, now we are going to discuss what is the use of this neutralization, or is the neutralization is useful in our everyday life? If yes, then how it is useful for us? Children, neutralization is useful in indigestion, to treat the indigestion. As you all know that our stomach contains a hydrochloric acid which help to digest the food. You have studied in chapter number 2 that our stomach contains hydrochloric acid which helps to digest the food. But you have also studied that if the amount of this acid increases in our stomach, it is very painful for us and it causes indigestion. Is it? So, to relieve the indigestion, we take the antacid. What we use? Antacids. Like the milk of magnesia. It contains magnesium hydroxide. Means here we are using a base, magnesium hydroxide. And this magnesium hydroxide reacts with the excess of the acid in your stomach and neutralize the effect of acid, and hence we get relief from the acid pain. Sometimes you have also seen that at your home many people are using Eno to treat the acidity. It is also a base. So the bases neutralize the effect or to destroy the effect of acids and make it neutral. And hence we get relief from the pain of the acid. So children, neutralization is helpful to treat the indigestion. Second, it is used in the ant's bite. Children, when an ant bite, it injects an acid which is called formic acid into our skin. And the effect of the acid can be neutralized by rubbing the moist baking soda. Baking soda is sodium hydrogen carbonate. It is a base. Or sometimes we use calamine solution. Calamine solution is a solution of zinc and carbonate. It is a zinc carbonate, and these are used to treat the effect of formic acid which is released by the ant into our skin and causes pain. So by the use of this baking soda, the moist baking soda rubbed at that place, at that body part, and we get relief from the effect of the ant bite. Children, it is used in the soil treatment. Excessive use of chemical fertilizers makes the soil acidic. And children, you all know that the plants can't grow well in the more acidic or more basic medium. Means if the soil is too acidic or too basic, the plant can't grow well. So children, in this condition, the soil means when the soil is too acidic, here when the soil is too acidic, it is treated with the bases like quicklime or calcium oxide. Calcium oxide is commonly called as quicklime. Or you can use slagged lime, which is calcium hydroxide. These are the bases. Okay, so when the soil is acidic, we use calcium oxide or calcium hydroxide into the soil to make the effect of acid becomes neutralized, and hence the soil is now good to grow the crops. And if the soil become basic, it is not necessary that only acids are released by the factory. Sometimes bases are also released from the factory. So to treat the bases, we use the organic compost. Organic matter releases acid which neutralize the basic nature of soil, and in this way we can neutralize the effect of acid or base into the soil. So you can say that neutralization is very useful to treat the soil. Children, the factory waste. Nowadays a lot of factories are established which release so many chemical products, like sometime acidic products, sometime basic products. And if we allow to flow these products directly into the water, the organisms like the water bodies which are living in the water will die due to the effect of the acid. So it is very necessary to treat the waste or to neutralize the waste which is discharged by the factories, so that it may be not harmful to the water bodies, to the soil, etc. Not only the water bodies, other animals are also depend on water, like we. A food chain is connected with each other. If any of in this ecosystem, if any of the organism get harmed, then the whole world will destroy or will get the effect of these. So children, neutralization reaction is very useful in our everyday life. This is all about the use of neutralization reaction. Thank you. Have a very good day.